Hi there, welcome back. In this one, let's make this list data driven. To do that, let's go to a list component and create an array of companies, and let's call it as companies. It's an array of object. So let's call company name, description, let's have another parameter called background color. So that's the data that we have. Now how we use these companies in our HTML is by using a attribute or directive called ngFor. So let's comment out our static companies, and this is how we use the attribute. So what we are doing here is we are looping app company element for each of the companies within the companies array, and the company will give one object at a time. Alright. We also want to assign the name and the background color to the app company, and to do that let's create two attributes called name and another attribute called BGC, which stands for the background color. So these are the two custom attributes that we would be creating now, and we then assign company dot comp name. So it's this name that we provide, and then BGC for the background color. So we are looping each of the companies, and company will get one object at a time. The company's name is assigned to name attribute, and BGC is assigned to BGC attribute, which will create in a bit. So let's go to company component and let's add input and call it name, which is of type string. Let's also create another attribute called BGC, and let's import the input from Angular core. So this is the name that we would be replacing with the input attribute called name, and the background color, let's use style dot background color and assign BGC to this. Alright, let's take out the background color from comp style. Okay, so all look good. So let's save all the files. There you go. So we get the name and the background color, which is data driven. We need to add the column, the bootstrap grid column for each of these, and let's also change the color of the label to, let's say, white or black. So So while we loop each of the company component, let's add a class of 3 columns in 12 grid column of the bootstrap. Let's also change the color to, let's say, white. Save all your files. Looks neat. So there you go. That's how we use ngFor. And in the next one, on click of each of these companies, let's display its relevant details below in a section called details, which will display the name, description, and also the background color. See you in the next one. Stay tuned, share, subscribe. Cheers.